What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray, and today we are going to be doing some unboxings. I got some product in the mail, and yes, I know I said I was going to be using up my stash before I try to buy a whole lot of stuff, and that is still the case. Some of this stuff I had ordered before I did those stash videos, before I knew that I had as much stuff as I had. So the stuff is now coming in, so I want to go ahead and just show it to you and go from there. So yeah, I mean, who knew that I had so much stuff at the time that I ordered this stuff? So you kind of live and you learn. But I will say that some of this stuff is new stuff that I have not tried, so that's a good thing. It's not my same old product that I already have, that I have millions bottles of. It is new things that I can bring to you guys with the new reviews. I'm trying to get it open. They got it taped up pretty tight. So I can see right now the first thing is the chocolate Kinks and Kurls. I never tried their products, and a lot of people have raved about their clays. So I believe that's what I got, is a clay wash. Got it open. I'm gonna get me a pair of scissors after this. But I think it's a clay wash. Packaged very nicely. So let me just throw this stuff away. And let's see what I got here. Okay, so the first thing I got from Chocolate Kinks and Kurls is the Bentonite Cocoa Creme Clay Wash, which looks like this. Smells like hot chocolate, and it has a whipped, well, no, it's harder than I thought. It looks like it's whipped, but it's, I mean, it's soft, but it's thick. It has a thick, deep conditioner consistency to it. So yeah, I can't wait to try that. The next thing I got was the Aloe Colada Styling Pudding. Ooh, it smells good too. It smells like a little pina colada. So it's just a white cream. I'm not gonna stick my fingers in all this. And the next thing in here is the Pineapple Colada Hair Milk. Okay? So it looks like I got a hair milk, which I could use as a leave-in or a moisturizer. And then I got a styling pudding for twist. And then I got a clay wash. So wash, leave in, and twist. So I might do a whole wash day with these products. So I got that. Okay, so the next thing I got was, got my scissors, a box from TreLuxe. Which everyone has been talking about recently. So, comes with a little card. Just tells you how to get your best with TreLuxe and how to use the product. So in this box, let's see what I got. I picked up the Curl Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. I picked up the Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner. I picked up the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. And I also picked up the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. Let's look at this gel. Okay. Can you see that? I don't want it to fall out. Somewhat jiggly, so it's not real slimy like the gels that my hair doesn't like. more jiggly, somewhat custardy. So I hope this works for me. I hope this works for me. Oh, it smells so good. It just smells nice and clean. It just smells like you just took a nice clean shower or bath. The hydrating cream looks like that. Just a thick cream. Thick cream, but it seems like it's going to melt into your hair quite nicely. Smells good too, just a soft, sweet scent. The leave-in conditioner. It's a white cream. It has more of some type of minty smell to it. Not that harsh peppermint, but more like just a tad bit of a little mint or something I smell in it. I don't know what that is. I'm not going to read all the ingredients while I'm here because this is just an unboxing. And then I got the cleansing rinse, which is their shampoo. It's just a regular nice scent. Okay, so that's what I got from TreLuxe. It looks like I have a whole set again, which is the shampoo, the leave-in, a moisturizing cream, and a gel. So that can be a wash day. Oh, okay, so this is one thing, opening up something else. Now this is one thing that I did buy after I did my stash, and this doesn't count because what I bought was hand sanitizer, which we needed. I could not find it in the stores anywhere, and when I found out that As I Am was selling hand sanitizer, I thought that I would pick up a few to try them out and to have on deck. So it is not a hair product. It is something that was essential that we needed in our household. So this is what it looks like. It's called As I Am Hand Care Moisturizing Hand Sanitizer. Kills 99.99% of all germs. So it looks like this. I believe they had this on sale. Well, I don't know if it was on sale or not, but they sold them. I believe they were like $6, $5.99 or something like that. And that seems high, but this is quite a bit. This is 8 fluid ounces. So if you think about the little small ones you carry in your purse that are like what, 1.5 or 2 ounces, something like that. If you got 4 of those, if they're 2 ounces, that's 8 ounces, right? So you're spending at least $4 because you usually will pay 99 cents for those, if not a little bit more, depending on where you get them. So this one was 5 something and it's 8 fluid ounces, and it comes in a nice little pump. And what's nice about these is I can just have them around in my house. So I picked that up. Let me know if any of you saw that sale and you got any, and if you liked them. So I actually picked up 3 of them. So that's what came in recently. So that's what's in that box. The last thing I got in is this box, and it's from Curlbox. So this is something that I ordered. The other stuff I ordered before I did my stash. This I ordered since I did my stash. And the reason I ordered this was because if you remember, look at this cute little box. In one of my videos where I was listing products that you could get for $10 or under, I mentioned Maui Moisture, right? I didn't have any Maui Moisture, said I hadn't used it in a really long time, probably not since 2013 or something like that. But I said I probably needed to revisit it. So when I saw that Curlbox had this box of Maui Moisture products on sale, I said, let me snatch that up, because I didn't know when the thing was going to be lifted where we can go out to the stores and be around people. I didn't know if the stuff that's in the stores were going to be on sale and everything. And this was a mixture of things, so it let me try a lot of different items from Maui Moisture. So I went on and got this. This Curlbox was, I believe, $30. And let me show you what came in it. It's pretty big. I don't want to drop everything out. But the first thing that came in it was the Shine and Awapui shampoo for dull hair. So this is pretty new. I'm not sure if this is even in the stores yet, so that's new. Nice shampoo, so we'll give that a try. And I hope it's moisturizing because I need a nice another natural moisturizing shampoo. And it looks like, let's see, made with 100% aloe juice as the first ingredient. So that sounds really good. It also came with the Shine and Awapui conditioner for dull hair. And my hair does tend to be a little bit dull. Again, first ingredient is aloe juice. The next thing that came in it was the Maui Moisture Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick curly hair. It looks like this. Thick, creamy consistency. So looks like you can probably use it to twist or moisturize. So that's good. The next thing that came with it was the Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore with Bamboo Fibers Blowout Mist for weak brittle hair. So this is a blowout mist, and this is gonna be nice because I did say that I wanted to blow out my hair or straighten my hair soon. And so if this is great for that and has a heat protectant in it, that would be great, and it's silicone free, so that's great. And then the next thing is the Color Protection and Sea Minerals Heat Shield Mist for color treated hair, and it's also silicone free. It's rich in sea minerals, pure algae, and lush sea kelp. Now I'm not color treated, so I may hold on to this for a giveaway. And then the next thing it came with is this nice misting spray bottle, which you guys know that, there we go, that you guys know that I love. And it has its name on it, so that's cute. And it also came with a Maui Moisture Vegan Hair Care. Look at that. It's a little mirror. That is so cute, a double-sided mirror. It kind of looks like a flip phone when you think about it, and then you open it up and you have a little mirror, on both sides. So as a gift, I didn't know that was coming in it. And then it also came with, I thought that was last, but then I saw this. It also came with the Maui Moisture Vegan Hair Care brush. So this looks like their detangling brush, and it's wood, very nice, soft. Wow, that's cute, and it looks like you can hang it in the shower. So I'll see how they say to, I'll see how she says to use the brush, if she says in here. But yeah, that was really cute. So that's what came in the Curlbox. All this stuff came in the Curlbox for 30 bucks. A brush, a mister, a mirror, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 full-size hair products. So if those hair products were $5 each, which would be very cheap and inexpensive, then all of these would be another $5 to come up with $30. Now, you know, you can pay almost $5 for just one of these misters alone, depending on where you get it and how big it is. This is a large one. I have one up here, which is a small one. See the difference? So I know, I think I got this from Sally's, and I probably paid maybe $2, $2.99 or something like that for it. So you know this is probably a good $5 by itself or close to it. And this nice wooden brush definitely would cost you more than $5 in the store to get, and now you got a mirror. So yeah, all of this for $30, that's a great price, so I could not pass it up. So that is one thing that I did buy since I did my stash video, but everything else I bought beforehand is just now coming in with the delay in the mail and the shipping and stuff like that with the pandemic going on. So if you have not heard of Curlbox, Curlbox is a subscription type program where you can subscribe to Curlbox. I believe it's $20 or $25 a month, and they're going to send you out a box similar to this that has products in it. Most of the times it's products that are pretty new on the market that's coming out, so you'll have them in your hands sometimes before other people. Don't mark my words, but a lot of times there are newer products. They're usually full-size products, and you usually will get 4 to 5 products in a box, if not more, for that $20 to $25 a month. That way it's just automatically coming to your house. You don't have to go out and shop. Some people subscribe to that. I did not subscribe. I just ordered a box that was on their non-subscription plan. So they actually have another thing that is called non-subscription. So that means for a limited time, they have limited quantities. If they have something and you want to go out there and buy it without the subscription, so you can just buy when you want to, you can do that. So that's how I came up with these. I happened to go out there, I saw the non-subscription box was Maui Moisture products, so I went on and swiped it up for $30. The subscription box for non-subscriptions can be $20, $25, $30. It could be whatever they want it to be depending on what is in the box. So I don't necessarily want to subscribe and get something sent to my house automatically and money taken out of my account automatically, because I'm not always wanting what Curlbox may be sending that particular month. Sometimes they do send stuff that has silicones in it and things of that sort, and I don't use silicone, so I don't want to pay $20, $25 for a Curlbox for products that have silicones in it that I know that I'm not going to use. So I prefer to just go out there every blue moon, see what they have, and if it's something that interests me that's in the non-Curlbox, then I will pick it up that way. Now, I've been natural for years. I've only been doing YouTube for 1 year, as you guys know, and I've never ordered from Curlbox before until now. So, and I happened to get something that I was looking for a pretty good price. So will I continue to do that? I don't know. If I'm just out and happen to be searching and say, oh, let me look up Curlbox, and I look it up and they have something that's on the non-subscription that I think that I can use and want to bring to you guys, then I might purchase it. If they don't, I won't. But I will not be getting a subscription just because I don't have control over what they send in that subscription as far as what ingredients are in what products. So there you go. If you've never looked at Curlbox, never tried it, I suggest you just go out there and see. Sometimes it is a lot cheaper going that route than it is going to the stores. It just depends. Sometimes the stores are having better sales than what you would get, you know, with Curlbox. You know, you just kind of have to weigh the two. But yeah, that's what Curlbox is, for those of you who did not know. And I am pleased with my very first purchase from Curlbox. So yeah, that is what I wanted to show you and unbox for you today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you got any of these products and you like them and they work for you, leave it in the comment section below what you have, how you use it, and how you get the best use out of it. I love to hear what your thoughts are before I use these products. Give me some ideas of what I can do to use them. If you have any comments as to other videos that I can make with these products on my hair, I'm open. Leave that in the comment section as well. That is pretty much it. Again, you know what to do. If you like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.